begin this evening with the death of a man who was loved and respected in the Somali community.
Someone shot him outside a hotel in Brooklyn Center. Police still aren't sure why Mohammed Jama was shot. He was considered a community leader, and as James Shugel shows us tonight, he leaves behind a wife and child.
Mohammed Jama used his many talents to inspire others. He was a basketball coach, a soccer coach, but even more importantly, he was a mentor. A mentor to Somali children in the Cedar Riverside area, the ones who come to the Brian Coyle Community Center. He taught them to play ball, just like counselors taught him when he came here as a child.
He was very committed to work with the youth.
Mohammed's friend, Abdrazak Bihi, says he promoted peace throughout his life. Ironically, violence ultimately was the reason he died. Just before 5 Wednesday morning, Mohammed was shot once outside the Crown Plaza Hotel. This is where Somali basketball teams from around the country were staying, part of a tournament that they were in town for.
We do not believe that this was a random act.
Brooklyn Center police broke up a fight at the hotel a half hour before someone fired that fatal shot. They don't know yet if the bullet was meant for the 31-year-old, but his friends are sure that it was not.
It's highly possible that he was mediating a situation.
They say it's just like Mohammed to risk his life to talk with people, support them, help them. He pushed kids at the center to get off the streets and into school. Now Somalis are left to find a new leader to take his place.
It's more than policing. We need a lot of help.
Tonight, investigators do need your help to find who killed Mohammed. If you know anything about this case, they urge you to call the Brooklyn Center Police Department. Jeanette.
All right, James, so police said that they didn't think this was necessarily random and that there was some sort of maybe altercation earlier in the evening. Any chance it's gang-related?
Well, right now the Brooklyn Center police chief says he just doesn't know for sure. He has exchanged information with the Minneapolis police detectives to see if there's any link between other crimes in other parts of the city, the metro area, and this one.
No matter how it turns out, sounds like a big loss for the community.
Yes.
Thank you, James.
Sure.